Legal Analysis of Civil Petition number 174K of 2022. Esteemed colleagues, today we will analyze the Supreme Court of Pakistan's decision in Civil Petition number 174K of 2022, which presents a compelling narrative on the interpretation of oral agreements and of evidence in property disputes. Case background: the petitioner sought specific performance of an oral agreement regarding agricultural land in Gotki district. The trial court ruled in favor of the petitioner, but the appellate court reversed this decision. The High Court upheld the appellate court's ruling, leading to the Supreme Court petition. Petitioner's claims. The petitioner argued that the oral agreement was proven with sufficient evidence. They contended that the appellate court's judgment suffered from misreading and non-reading of evidence. Supreme Court's deliberation. The Supreme Court examined the material on record and the petitioner's assertions. The petitioner claimed that the land was sold to them via oral agreements and payments were made accordingly. A dispute arose over the mutation of the land, leading to arbitration which favored the petitioner. Legal considerations. Oral agreements. The enforceability of oral agreements in property transactions is a contentious issue. The court's analysis would hinge on the credibility of the evidence supporting the existence of such agreements. Evidence evaluation. The court's approach to the evidence, especially in the absence of the respondent at the trial stage, is critical. The appellate court's decision to set aside the trial court's ruling indicates a different interpretation of the evidence presented. Arbitration and mutation. The role of arbitration in resolving the mutation dispute and the subsequent actions of the parties involved are significant. The court would assess the legal validity of the arbitration decision and its impact on the mutation entries. Conclusion: the Supreme Court's ruling in this case will have far-reaching implications for the interpretation of oral agreements and the evidentiary standards required to uphold them in property disputes. It underscores the importance of meticulous documentation and legal formalities in land transactions